Hey friends, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Cricut video. For today's video, we're going to be making stickers. I did a video like this a few weeks ago and I was printing them out on cardstock because I did not have sticker paper. Today I do, so I thought I would share with you the process of how to make stickers. So I'm already inside Design Space. The first thing I'm going to do is go to my left hand side toolbar and click on Shapes and a square. I'm going to resize it, so I have my square selected. The top toolbar where the size is, we're going to unlock the lock. Make the width here be 6.75 and the height is going to be 9.25. This is the max print area that Cricut allows, so we're going to use this as a template. I'm going to change the color of that so you can see it, so I'll make it be like a light green color. Left hand side toolbar, we're going to click on Images and we're going to choose Browse All Images and find ones that we like. And I mainly use these for project life. But pretty much on all these images here, they're just regular cut images. None of these are print then cut, but we're going to make them be print then cut. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. That one's kind of cute. All right, let's go back up and we're going to type in, let's type in fall. Let's see what's here. And you'll see here, there's two of them. This one with the scissors is a cut image. This one with the printer is a print image. So I'm going to choose that one because there's already a print image. All right, let's go back up. We're going to choose dog. Let's see if we see any dogs we like. And that's a cute one. So is that one there. So is that one. That's really cute. I'm going to choose this one. I think that's kind of cute. Let's go back up. See, that looks like Blue's Clues. So I have that little doggy there. I think I'm going to change that one and go to this one because I do have two girl dogs. And we want about 8 images. You can see down here we have 3. So I'm going to go back up. We're going to choose a paw this time. The dog paw print. I love that one with the buffalo. That's a pretty one. I like this one. We're like a sketchy one, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. So now we have 4. Now, as I said, I'm using these for project life, so I'm going to put it in here like keywords. So I'm going to do like story and see what pops up here. All right, so we have our story, love story, true story, story time. Oh, I think I like this one over here. Welcome to our love story. Or maybe this one here, just one more story. I like that one. So I have that one. I'm going to go back up and choose life. All right, see if any of these would be good for project life. Yeah, farm life, that's really cute. I don't live on a farm though. You know, I like that one, that craft. I'm gonna go here and type in craft. See what comes up with craft. All right, coffee craft chill, procrastinator. That's really cute. We have let's craft, crafter's gonna craft. I think I'm going to do this one. I kind of like that one. All right, so now we have 6. So we're going to need 2 more. So I'm going to do, let's do photo. All right, so we have that photo bomb one, photo booth, photo op. I don't really see anything here. Let's do coffee. All right, so that's like a Starbucks coffee. I never had Starbucks coffee in my life. Could not even tell you, I would have no idea even how to order a coffee from there. All right, so I'm just looking for, I like this one here. All right, so I'm going to click on that one. So now we have 7, so we need 1 more. Let's do floral. We'll do flower. right, so let's go back to the top, look at the flowers. I like that one, it's kind of neutral. So I'm going to click on that one because I might use it. I'm going to scroll down and see what else is down here though. I might choose this one instead. So I'm going to choose that one. So down here we can see all of our designs. I'm going to click on the other one and remove that one. So we have 8. I'm going to choose Add to Canvas. Now it might take a minute to get there because we do have a lot of images that we brought in. I'm going to bring this over there so it's out of our way. Alright, so now we have all of our images here. Little paw print, the fall, the coffee. That doggy is really cute. Okay, now what I want to do is I was playing with this earlier. I know I'm able to fit 1-inch circles. I can do 6 across and 8 on the bottom, or 8 going up and down. So I'm going to go to my left hand side, choose shapes, click a circle. It's right here. I'll make that be white. I'll also change the size of this and make it be a 1-inch circle. Okay, so we have that. I'm going to right click on that and choose send to back. I do want 8 of these. So I'm going to have it selected. In the upper right hand corner, you can choose duplicate there. So I'm going to do it again. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have this one. Now basically all you want to do is resize these ones to fit inside your circle here. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight both pieces. Go to the top toolbar and choose Align Center. I'm going to right click on it and choose Group. Right click on it again and choose Flatten. So even though that was not a printable image, we just made it one. Okay, this is already a print and cut, so we're going to just change the size of this and make it be 1 inch. Bring that one over there. Let's grab another circle, right click on that again and choose send to back. This time we're going to do the doggy. Resize that. Get it in there. Highlight both. Go to the top, choose Align Center. Right click on it and choose Group. Right click and choose Flatten. We're going to keep on doing it. Right click, send to back. Let's grab this one here, resize it. So it's going to fit inside of our circle. Highlight both. Go to the top, choose Align Center. Right click on it and choose Group. And right click and choose Flatten. All right, so we have a few more. Right click and choose send to back. Resize this one so it'll fit inside there. Highlight both. Align Center. Right click and choose Group. Right click and choose Flatten. So now we have that one. All right, send to back. Do this one. Resize that a little bit more. Okay, highlight both. Top toolbar, Align Center. Right click and choose Group. Right click and then choose Flatten. So now we have that one. We'll do the coffee and the flower. Send it back. Resize this one. Oop, go on that one. Send it back. Bring our coffee in there. I'm going to resize it a little bit more. Highlight both. Top toolbar, Align Center. Oops, now center was kind of weird, so I'm going to manually center that myself. I highlight both, right click and choose Group, right click and then choose Flatten. So we have that one. And our last one here, send to back. Our flower. Bring that over here. Highlight both, top toolbar, Align Center. Right click and choose Group, right click and choose Flatten. So we no longer needed that one there, because we're going to bring our template piece over here and we're going to line them up from top to bottom on the left hand side. And try to get them evenly spaced apart. And move them up a little bit. So I think any image inside Design Space can become a sticker or a print and cut. You just need to have something to attach it to. Okay, so I think they're pretty evenly spaced apart. So I'm going to click on the top one, hold down Shift on my keyboard, then click on each one going down. Okay, so they're all selected. Top toolbar again, we're going to choose a line, and this time you want to choose a line center horizontally. That way it'll line them up left and right. So that did that. I'm going to right click on that and choose group. Right click on that and choose copy. Right click again and choose paste. So now we can move this one over. I'm going to move this one over a little bit more. Right click again and choose paste. Again, right click, paste. Right click, paste. And then one more time, right click, paste. Okay, so I think they all look pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and click on each one. Again, hold down Shift on my keyboard. Click on that one, that one, and that one. Go to the top toolbar again and choose a line, and we're going to line bottom. That way they're all even. Okay. All right, so all that looks pretty good. We no longer need the green piece. We can remove that. You want to highlight all this piece. Right click on it and choose group. Right click on it again and choose flatten. Now at this point you want to save your project. I'm not going to save this, but you want to save this. We're going to go ahead and choose make it. And because we use that template, we know everything's going to fit on one page. We're going to choose continue. I'm going to choose send to printer. And I'm using my the default settings here. I'm also using matte sticker paper. If you want to choose your own printer settings, you can always check this box here that says use system dialog. It'll open up your own printer screen. I'm letting it go this way. I'm going to choose print. That's going to print out. And then when it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you what the next step is. All right, so here we are, it's printing. So I'm going to go ahead and change our material. So I'm going to choose browse all materials. And for this sticker paper, after doing lots of testing, I found the washi setting was the best. So I'm going to type in washi and then click on enter. Click on this one right here. Choose done. And I do want to change my pressure. So I'm going to make that be more pressure. All right, so I'm going to take you guys to the Cricut. We're going to load our sticker paper in there and I'll show you how it detects the print and cut. All right, we're at the machine. I have my paper loaded. You want to make sure you're loading it in the upper left-hand corner and everything lines up. And choose the go button, and you'll see a little light come on and it's going to read these black lines. That's how it knows it's a print and cut. So you can see the light on in there, and it will do all four sides. And now it's going to start the cutting process. And I'll let you see a few, then I'll fast forward it. All right, it's all done. I'm going to unload it. We'll go to the table and test out our stickers. All right, let's go ahead and peel these off. And they printed really nicely, like the color. All right, let's go and test them. You can see we have the perfect kiss cut. So we just created our own stickers. So I have that sheet there. And I did this one earlier just to test it. So now I have 2 sheets of stickers I can use in my project life. All right, my friends, let me rewind. This paper I'm using is from Town Sticks, S-T-I-X. It's 8.5 by 11. There are 30 sheets per page. And I want to say this is like $7.99 on Amazon. I will certainly link it below for you. I do prefer the matte over the glossy. That's just my own personal preference. But I figured for $7, $8, you can play around and make your own stickers. All right, any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.